Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Techbuster, and this is my friend Ayush Samal here with me.
Hello guys.
And we are we are planning to shoot the campus tour video in this video, and we will be covering the whole campus, starting from the main entrance itself. Here, this is the main entrance of VIT. We as a student are not allowed to leave campus right now without parents' consent or anything. And we also need an ID card to enter. Here's the place where we can scan the ID card and get inside the campus. We all need an ID card to get inside the campus. Without an ID card, we can't get inside the campus. So you guys can see that. Let's move. And first of all, let's see this thing, the most famous MGR block. Just see the vibe, guys. It's totally vibrant. Totally vibrant vibes. One thing I can bet you guys over here, the campus here is totally amazing. At in afternoon there is a lot of sunlight, that a burning sun is there, as it's a month of March. The campus here is totally vibrant, lots of trees and totally pleasant weather. Aside of the afternoon times, after I can get 3:30 or 4 p.m. The campus here is the beautiful, most beautiful campus I have ever visited. Now we are exiting the main MGR block. We are starting it from here. First, this is the car parking. If you guys are coming from outside, when you guys visit the campus, your parents can park the car over here, or the places, there are places near foodies. I'll show you the car parking, the scooty and the cycle stands. And this is the road. The roads here are also very nice. And one thing I want to tell, on an average, I'm here since past 2-3 days, and on an average, I can bet you guys that you will walk around 12 to
14.2 kilometers.
14 kilometers on an average. Yesterday I completed 17 kilometers by just walking in whole day. And on an average, 10-14 kilometers you guys would cover, and on daily basis, right? Now you can see here. Here it's like a mini hospital, and there is also there are bank. There is Indian Bank over here, and there is a City Union Bank also. As you guys can see, this is a health center over here, a mini, for any injuries you guys get or anything like that, a first aid center, or a medical office, you can say. And as you can see, there are ambulance, and in case of any major injuries, if you guys happen to come across a major injury, you guys are taken to CMC, that is hospital near this institute. And in the next documents that you need to submit, how it is submitted, everything would be covered in this in next vlog. In this vlog, I will try to cover the outside campus, and I am planning to make 3 vlogs on this VIT. And first, in this vlog, I'll cover the campus. The second vlog would contain about the cars and all, and the third vlog, or maybe the order can vary, I will also cover about the hostels in VIT. As being a second year students, we are allowed to visit in few hostels, and I'll try to make all the vlogs of those hostels separately. As you can see here, guys, this is the most famous auditorium. Here you can you guys have your parent orientation. If you guys are first year and you are coming to campus, you can it is a chances that they have parent orientation for you guys. And there's this also hall for meetup and all the things that VIT officially announces. And you can also for ID cards and all, this is the block where you go, auditorium where you come for making your ID card. As you guys can see, this is the photocopy shop that where you can take the photocopies of your documents. You will be needing them, and there are n number of photocopies. This is the first shop, and 2 and 3 more shops are there. And this one is a few shops are there which are quite close, because some of the students are yet to come, and as students would come, they would open this mini shop where you can purchase your dresses and all the shoes, belts and everything. And this one where you can purchase your eatables like snacks, chips, Pepsis, and all the things are available here. There are many shops in VIT. I'll show you guys. There are 2-3 more shops. So guys, this is the gate number 2, and just left to it there is an Allmart where you get all the stuffs of VIT, all the regular stuff that you all need. And this is my friend who just joined with us, Pulkit Goel. And this is Ayush, you just saw in this video. And as you guys can see that this is one of the entrance, gate number 2 of VIT. And here is also, there's a canteen where you can eat aside of mess. If you don't like anything of mess, some of the food if you don't like it, and like if you don't want to eat over there, you can go, just come to this canteen. There are other things also, other places also where you can I'll show you guys. This one is the canteen, and the prices here in whole VIT of food are very economical. They are very cheap and you can eat a lot of stuff in a less price. And this is one of the lab for civil engineers, concrete technology laboratory. And I don't know much about these things, but if you are a civil engineer or you are pursuing a civil engineering in VIT, you may better know about it. And this is the Foundry Shop. This is also of civil. Basically this side is related to civil engineering. And this is the court for badminton, volleyball and etc. Like basically it's for volleyball, but children do play badminton also here. And this is also free. These all the outdoor courts that you are seeing are totally free. Only you have to pay for the indoor ones. This is human organ manufacturing engineering home. I don't know which branch it belongs to, but it's there. Auto over here are very expensive for the students. If you know Tamil or Kannada, so if you know those language, it's very easy for you guys to travel here. They will you can speak the language and get a lesser rate. But if you don't know this language, they would tell you prices are very high. I told you about the Allmart night. It took around 100 rupees for one side, from our block to Allmart. It's around 1.1 kilometers according to Google Maps. And one more thing, so this got me to one more thing. Whole VIT is on Google Maps. If you want to see anything roads or any map, if you want to see or the way to your block or any exit, whole VIT is on the Google Maps. So you can easily navigate through that. This is the office building of VIT, where you need to submit your documents when you come to. You will be told the dates when you are allowed to submit the documents. For us is around 14th March. After 14th March till 18th March we are allowed to submit our documents. You won't be needing your documents once you check in. At the time of check-in, you won't be needing your documents. They'll just take a sign and you can keep your luggages in your room. For us it happened like that. Maybe it can differ for your time, but it's totally easy because it's around 5 minutes. It took around 5 minutes for check-in and the check-in was complete. And this is the building that I was talking. This is the main office building of VIT, where you submit the documents. And this one is the codes. And this is guys the shuttle. The prices of shuttle over here are 15 rupees. You can take it from anywhere and drop anywhere in the whole campus, the room. And this one is the central library. The library here is amazing, totally amazing. But there is one thing that I wanted to tell you guys, that there are no individual charging ports for everyone. You need to carry your extension board inside, and there are certain rules that you want to follow here. First of all, your baggage would be checked out, and second, you need to wear your mask, and water bottles would be also checked out only. There is water that is provided inside, so no need to worry about that. And you can spend hours over here. There are many books about your stream and you can study them. You can work on a laptop or attend classes, online classes that we are going on this week. So totally amazing library according to my experience. It can vary up to you. And right now this is the place where if you will order from Amazon, this is the shop or hub where you will receive your products. It will not be delivered to your block. And this is the girls hostel over here, and boys are not allowed inside this. As you can see, there is a black door and beside that there is another door. Now we are heading towards Foodies, one of the most famous places in VIT, where as you guys can see, this is the SMV block over here. In this block, majorly the biotech classes and the STS classes. For me, my STS class is scheduled over here, and also for the biotech students, their classes are also scheduled in SMV block only. We are just roaming next to Foodies. This is the Foodies, and here people have the group meetings. That is also currently going on, as you guys can see over here. Total Foodies is it's partially full. There are chairs available, and it's totally a nice place to sit in the evening. Right now there's a lot of sun, and this is the a small park where people sit and chill basically in evening time, obviously. And as we continue, here comes the Amul, and this place, guys, this place is totally crowded. When you come in evening or around 6 p.m, there's no space to walk around near Amul. And here you guys can see this is Amul. This is mostly like crowded with people, but right now as it's afternoon time, it's totally empty. And this is the tank.
VIT sponsored to Ukraine. This is the same tank.
This is the most famous tank of VIT.
Yeah, VIT sponsored it to Ukraine. This is just a model.
You can like sit over here and click your pictures also. Now in front there is a pathway towards the men's block. We are going towards here. Here you can see the VIT Lake. VIT Lake is also situated, and DC and FC are also over there only. So right now we are moving there. Guys, this is the fruit zone. That is the only place where you can get fresh fruit juices in VIT. This area is totally crowded, whether it's morning, whether it's afternoon, or whether it's evening. Like, it's totally crowded with people. As you guys can see, the crowd is still here, and it's a peak time in afternoon itself. It's around 12:30 right now, and see the crowd, guys. As you guys can see over here, this is the VIT Lake, and like, this is the most famous lake in VIT, but it's closed for students till now. Like, you guys can see beside this fence only. No one is allowed. Like, after this fence, no one is allowed to go near the lake. As I don't know why, what's the reason for this, but still, it's closed. It was closed 2 years back also, and now also it's still closed. And there is no like possibility like it will open for you guys also. So you guys can see over here only. So we just came to know, guys, that the lake is only open for the biotech student to collect the specimens from here. Like no one else is allowed to go near the lake. Only those who are pursuing biotech in VIT are allowed to go near this lake. So this one is also a key point. Note that. So guys, these are my friends. Anuj Madhu this side, Adish this side, Arsh this side, and I use you all guys know. So we are standing at the backside of TT Technology Tower, where all the basically EEE and EC student classes take place, electrical department. And so like, how is TT inside? Like, what's the inside all over view? How is it inside TT?
Nice building it is.
Nice building,
but boarding teachers. They made me stand for 2 questions.
Regular class.
Regular classes.
No.
Even after 1 hour, I have one class.
So guys, this one is the girls block, girls hostel, the Sui Kui block. I don't know the exact pronunciation, but just adjacent to it is the most known SGT, and all the students who have the CSE core or the computer subjects or like the CSE, any specialization in CSE or anything, all the classes will be happening in SGT, and some of the classes can happen in TT also. So both these buildings are very close to each other, and the tunnel that was just opened now is a shortcut from men's hostel to this side. So here you go, guys. This is the Silver Jubilee Tower or SGT, and there you can find an ATM that is 24 hours open. It's of Indian Bank, and next to it there is a Domino's that is closed for now, but it will open in 2 to 3 days as per their saying. And all the students who have the CSE core or anything, the classes will be happening in SGT only. I'll show you inside these blocks once I enter them according to my class schedule. I'll also show these to you in another video. Separate video would be coming, in which I'll be covering the hostels and the academic buildings as well. So here you can see, guys, Like this is the tunnel that is about to be completed. Like VIT has also proposed a plan for this. This tunnel, I don't know, like it would be connecting the architecture block that's over there, and towards it's leading towards the men's hostel over there. So like this is not open till now. This is under construction. So as you can see, guys, in front of me, this is a building for School of Agriculture, the MGL block, and all the as you can see that there is also construction that is going on. Like this part of VIT is still under construction, and we are going further towards the most like the best building of, you can say, of VIT, the most famous architecture building. Like according to like the students, this is the most like modern building that you guys can see in whole VIT. All the buildings are old, but this one is the most modern building that has been made by VIT. As you can see, guys, as I was talking to you, like this is the most modern building, and this is the School of Architecture that has been built by VIT. And over there you can see this is the MGB block that is like made, that is for UG students, the School of Businesses, that is being told by the students here.
As you guys can see, we have entered the School of Architecture and Business, and the vibe here is quite different as the rest of academic blocks in VIT. Let's go and see some more spots in this tower.
As you guys can see here, these are the labs for the students who are studying here, and this is the classrooms, and one more classroom we have just above us. This one is the classroom for the students, and this is the exit or the entrance, both are same. And this is again one of the labs. Office, lab, and again a classroom over here. So guys, now we are currently in the shuttle. This bus services are paid, and you have to pay 15 rupees for anywhere in campus. You can pay, you can stop there, and they'll drop you anywhere you want inside the campus by taking 15 rupees, just the minimum charges. And this is air conditioned. The whole shuttle is air conditioned, and it's working. The air conditioning is working. And as you guys can see, this is the backside of our hostel blocks. And on the left side, you would be seeing SJT and TT again. So guys, this is the end of part 1 of the campus tour video. Hope you guys like it, and soon the part 2 would be coming, in which I would be comprising my hostel room, all the hostel blocks that we can visit, including the new Q block, the L block in which currently I am, and the rest of the blocks also, including the night canteen with all the mess which we can enter, because the mess has the biometric locks, biometric entry. So I think so I am not permitted in some of the mess. I have taken special mess for this sem, so I'll be taking you guys, and I'll be showing a video upon that also. So if you guys like it, just share this video to all of your friends and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. So see you later. Bye bye.